parliament session, let's talk about exactly what is being done in the opposition camps, because now they seem to be loading their political ammunition with the war rooms that are now active, but the real political firepower is elsewhere, where according to sources, what we are now learning, that preparations are underway to bring the delimitation bill and the amended women's reservation bill. Now, the BJP that has been working on a formula to expand Lok Sabha seats across all states by 50%, a formula that it hopes that will address southern concerns as well and secure a two-thirds majority that is needed to push the bill. That seems to be the requirement there. Of course, at the previous time, when it comes to the bill that failed to get the clearance in the parliament, the BJP now is rethinking its strategy.
कांग्रेस पार्टी हमेशा हमारी ये राय रही है, हम परिसीमन विधेयक का पूरा विरोध करेंगे, करते रहेंगे और सभी विपक्ष पार्टी की एकता और एकजुटता बरकरार रखने में हम पूरा प्रयास करेंगे, करते रहेंगे। ये चालाकी से 2/3 बहुमत पाने में ढूंढने में लगे हुए हैं। ये चालाकी से और पार्टियों को तोड़ के 2/3 बहुमत पाना, ये संविधान का अपमान है। ये एक कलंकित 2/3 बहुमत होगा।
Now let's talk about, the Congress, because it has been claiming that it is rallying the opposition and, asking them to stay united against the delimitation bill. But the BJP has countered that, saying that there is no opposition to rally or to think about. The ruling party believes that the Congress is mistaking political wishful thinking for parliamentary arithmetic.
पिछला परिसीमन जब 2008 में लागू हुआ था और उसको परिसीमन के जिस एक्ट के माध्यम से उसको लागू किया गया था, उस एक्ट में ये प्रावधान किया था कि 2025 के बाद में फिर पुनः वापस परिसीमन होगा। मुझे लगता है कि अब समय आ गया है।
जो साउथ के दल हैं, उनके मन में जो शंका है, उसको भी सरकार ने कहा था कि हम एड्रेस करेंगे। कांग्रेस का नाम ही आई है ना, कांग्रेस आइसोलेटेड।
Now let's in the meantime connect with Sabyasachi. Sabya, good morning. Around 2 days to go, what we are looking at the monsoon session of Parliament to begin, political arithmetic, and of course, when we speak of the possible, reintroduction of the bills that were in the center of the storm previously, how is that we are looking at the strategy build-up that is now being done in the ruling party's camp?
Well, the NDA is continuously in touch with the opposition parties. A lot have changed. We have seen the Trinamool Congress splitting the NCPI currently, which has 20 MPs in their camp. They are going to extend their support to the NDA, which is going to give a boost as far as the numbers are concerned. But the NDA would need support of the DMK and the United NCP. Now, as far as the DMK is concerned, the government sources tell us that they are in continuous touch with the DMK, and they have briefed about the delimitation bill, and the DMK in fact have made it very crystal clear that if the interest of Tamil Nadu is not hurt, then they are ready to listen on delimitation, and the support of the DMK will be extremely crucial, because the NDA understands the fact that the DMK under any circumstances are in no mood to extend their support to the Congress party. Meanwhile, it will be trouble for the India bloc, specifically for the Congress party, to make sure that all the opposition parties stay united or stay together as far as the India bloc is concerned. But the NDA seems confident that when they will introduce the delimitation bill in the parliament, they are going to have the numbers, they are going to have the support of the opposition parties that they are in continuous touch with. And the NDA sources also tell us that it is heading towards a positive note, and once the monsoon session starts, they are going to bring in the.
So as far as the number game is concerned, lots have changed, since the last session of Parliament and now to the upcoming one, and it remains how united, the question will remain how united is the opposition is, or will they be also scrambling for the numbers? Thank you very much for the moment, Sabyasachi, for joining in live. For our viewers, if you want to keep on the move as far as with the news, then with the Times Play, which has you covered, the all-in-one OTT streaming platform, which is developed by the Times Network, which uniquely blends premium digital video entertainment with with real-time news broadcasting. So you can catch your favorite news channel on Times Play, available on the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. With that, we head into a short break.